Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Waka the Wifepreneur. If you're new to this channel guys, you're most welcome, and to my old tribes, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the first step to a sellable ebook. So it's actually 3 steps to a sellable ebook. If you want to sell your ebook before it's actually being published, these are 3 steps that you have to consider, or these are 3 steps that you have to follow, so that you can sell your ebook like hotcake before it's even launched or published, before it's published. So I've decided to cut this video into 3 parts. So today we are going to do the first part, and then for you to see the other 2 parts, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on the next, second and third part of this sellable ebook series. Okay, so by the end of this video, by the end of these 3 videos, you'll be able to design your ebook and sell it before it's actually being published. Okay, and this video is for you if you want to start a side hustle and you want to start with digital products. Maybe you want to, especially if you want to start with an ebook, the video is for you. This is not only for coaches, solopreneurs, but it's for everyone, whether you are in the beauty industry, whether you are in the finance industry. It's actually for anyone who wants to start or selling ebooks, or anyone who wants to write an ebook. So in today's video we are going to talk about positioning yourself as an expert in your field. With that being said, let's get into the video. Welcome back once again. So like I mentioned earlier, we're going to talk about ways in which you can position yourself as an expert in your field. You know, so many people are intimidated, they can't write the ebook, or they feel like there are people that know more than them. But girl or guy, whatever you know, someone does not know. You might be on level 3, someone is still on level 0. They have no idea where to start, where to end. Okay, so that's why it's so important that you also share what you know to the people that are, you know, below you. So people that we actually get to see as expert right there, they are not really experts. They learn through the process, and how you learn through the process, it's only when you take action. So with whatever that you know, you teach, you write, you sell, you do whatever that it is, and then with that, when you are doing that, you are learning new things and you are leveling up. So this video is for you, so that you can also get to start in, you know, being an expert, or positioning yourself as an expert. So what does that even mean? What does it mean to position yourself as an expert? So to position yourself as an expert is to make yourself look like you are an expert. You know absolutely everything that is in your field. For example, if you are into finance, you know everything about financial literacy, you know everything about whatever levels that are there. Or maybe if you are into beauty, you know everything about lashes, you know everything about XYZ. But there's someone out there who doesn't know how to start actually. So this is the person that you are targeting right now. So by positioning yourself as an expert in that field, people, they will trust you. The people that are there on the low, they'll get to trust you, they'll get to come and learn from you, and they'll feel like you know too much, but actually you're also learning in the process. So step number 1 to position yourself as an expert in your niche is to make sure that you become known in your niche or in your industry. How do you do this? You can do so by, you know, collaborating with other people in your field, other competitors in your field, in your niche. Collaborate with them on a certain topic, talk about this and that, share your ideas, so that the people following your competitors and the people following you, they can learn from you guys. Also, the people that are following your competitor might as well come and follow you on your channel. So it's so important I would like to mention that it's also important that you have more than one platform. Make them at least 2 platforms. So I am on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So these are my 2 platforms that I get to share my content with you guys for free, absolutely free. So as an expert, that's what, to position yourself as an expert, that's what you need to do. Okay, you need to have places where you think people that are looking for your help might be. Okay, so if you think people that might need your help, they're on YouTube, try to create a YouTube account so that you can target your people from there. Also, if you think people that may need your help are on Instagram, open or create an Instagram page. If you feel they're on TikTok, please go ahead to TikTok. If you feel that wherever, anywhere where they are, just try to create such platform. But don't just be everywhere. Don't be on Clubhouse just because it was announced that it's an amazing application and so forth. Be on Clubhouse because you want to be there, because you enjoy being there, because you're comfortable. Be on YouTube because you're comfortable to be in front of the camera, because you can do this, because you can have time to record and you have all those things. So it's so important to choose your platforms wisely. Choose a platform that you know you won't struggle, especially if you have a 9 to 5. Another way that you can position yourself as an expert in your field is by showing up for your followers. Show up for your people and show up for your people and be seen. So don't just create an Instagram account and just start ghosting. I don't know what's wrong with my mouth today. So you don't want to create an Instagram page where you just dump information, then you disappear. You dump information, then you disappear. No, don't ghost your people. They might enjoy your content so much. So go there, you know, leave content, interact with your people, build a community, engage with your people. If they ask questions, reply to their questions, comment on their posts, reply to their DMs. Just build a nice community with your people. Go in your stories, share your day, share whatever you want to share with them, get personal with them, because people buy from people. People build relationships with people, not with just a logo as a profile of your Instagram page. No behind the scenes, no nothing. No, create a friendship that will help your followers to be loyal to you, that will love you, that so that whatever you can throw at them and sell to them, they'll be able to buy. Okay, so build a community, build relationships. Last but not least, also share free content with your people. So whatever that you want to include in your freebie, not in your freebie, but in your ebook, make sure that you're going to share that information before it's actually being published in the ebook. I do not mean that you must go and take every word that is in your ebook to put it on your Instagram. No. Some ideas that you want to put in your ebook, you can decide to, it could be a motivation. You can turn it into a motivation or an inspiration message, put it on your feed. So that is the type of free content that I'm talking about. Share content that people can learn from them for now for free, that when they get to buy the ebook, they understand already what they are required. You know, this free content is to warm them up so that they can be ready for what is coming in the ebook. So guys, with that being said, go and subscribe right now if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you do not miss out on the next 2 parts of these 3 steps to a sellable ebook series that I am giving you guys. So I'll see you in my next video, and take care.